Okay, let's make this conversation a little more specific. You're probably familiar with how we at Benny Loyal Health really believe that just putting together a quote or shopping the market is only a very small part of what your benefits consultant should be doing for your group. It's really just the beginning. Your company actually needs a benefit strategy and not just a plan. Today, we want to look at a real world example of what we mean when we say that. We recently met with a small group in Texas with about 40 or so employees. They wanted to see if there were different options that were available to them. They're a specialty contractor in the construction industry that has, they've had some issues in the past with finding the right strategy for their diverse population. The costs have, gone up. They've lost some participation due to some members not being able to afford those costs to cover themselves or their family. Um, they've tried to remedy this in the past by different options such as adding some lower cost HMO plans into the mix, but it's produced the effect of having some other members with doctors that weren't in network. So now they're becoming adversely selected in their plan, where the only ones opting for the insurance are those that are on the higher claim items within the group. And this unfortunately has produced, of course, higher renewals. So after reviewing and consulting with this group and looking at a number of different options, we recommended putting in an ICHRA plan. Now, this is not an ICHRA plan video. We recommend many different plan options that are, just uniquely suited depending on the group that we're actually consulting with, including level funding, self-funding, captive plans. We look at a myriad of options. But for this group, we figured that an ICHRA plan would work best. And since I've noticed that a lot of ICHRA plan videos have gone up, I want to make sure that we kind of address this as well. So back to the plan strategy, since you now have the backdrop of the group that we're talking about currently. So first of all, when you are doing any type of plan, level funding, self-funding, captive, ICHRA plans, you want to work with a consultant that has experience working with whatever plan you're about to set up. For instance, in this scenario, ICHRA plans are administered completely different than regular group plans. So that experience and guidance is definitely helpful. Next, since ICHRA plans require that the employee choose a carrier, choose a plan, and there are hundreds of options out there for the member, for the employee to choose from, we made sure that we provided a personal employee support for them to be able to help them in their decision. This is more than likely the first time that this employee or any employee has had to deal with this in terms of reviewing this. So this is critical. We then gave each employee in this group technology via a mobile app that allows them to have full transparency, price transparency, review who's in the network, actually set appointments via that mobile app, but also giving them access with a personal healthcare team member that can do the same for them, assist them, walk them through their own healthcare journey. Now, as you look at this in this totality, this group has a full benefit strategy, not just a plan, which can speak to the needs of their population, along with infrastructure to make sure that every member and every employee can not only understand, can not only take part, but they can actually make the best out of the plan structure that the employer has provided for them. And so it creates an environment that for the employee themselves and their families, it's going increasing engagement and overall reducing costs. As we've said before, the best plan is not just one that is put together correctly. It also must include, as part of the plan, a way to make sure that it can be executed. And that is what we mean by actually having a benefits strategy.